The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from Tokyo, Japan.
If this person spent as much time focused on their ring work as they do for standing up for what they believe in, and maybe be undefeated.
Corey, I think sometimes a person's courage and character speaks louder than their record.
Really? Show me the last time someone got a title.
And her opponent, from England.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring?
And here's a woman who has been pretty vocal about her goal, wanting to be the most dominant and feared opponent in WWE.
I don't blame her. When you are as good as her, second place is not acceptable.
And I'm sure we're about to see just how bad she wants it.
And she's going head-to-head with an intimidating opponent. This is someone who others try to avoid getting in the ring with. She's got the skill, she's got the physical abilities. She's got it all going on.
I have to agree, she's a well-rounded athlete who can give anyone a run for their money. Power from the suplex.
Placing her in the corner here.
Caught that and reversed it.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Whoa. Across the top rope.
Ooh, she puts the brakes on that. Oh, step up Enziguri.
Placing her up on the turnbuckle.
What a counter. Oh, what a clothesline. She's really starting to feel the effects of this match.
Yeah, but she's not showing any signs of giving up.
Just like that, she turned it around.
Great job refocusing to reverse that.
She's helpless here. Hangman's neck breaker.
Crashing down with the senton.
Ah, jeez. And she's eating a lot of heavy shots here.
She's just getting knocked around out there.
You don't think?
An uncanny showing of power.
This is not where she wants to be. She has to fight out of this.
Will she tap? Can she? Digging deep to break out of this. It does.
That's going to sting.
Step up Enziguri. She's looking winded now.
And as the damage accumulates, you really need to start being more cautious.
Boom. Now she's unleashing everything she has.
She's plotting every move, and it's paying off.
Oh, scattered that one. Irish whip across the ring, gets reversed, countered now.
Down they go. Slam blade! There's the pin.
She's quick to get her shoulder up.
Clearly, she's still got a lot of fight left in her. Got her in her clutches. Driven down with an elbow to the heart.
Drop those ready.
Oh, gets caught up in a bad position.
Scoop slam sets things up. Point of the elbow finds the mark.
And now propped up in the corner. Oh, an uppercut.
Might have lost a tooth. Waistlock applied and launched into a German suplex. Oh, here we go. Brain buster.
Might have her shoulders down.
obviously still has some fight left.
Going straight to the top turnbuckle.
Taking flight.
Moonsault. She's all out of sorts here, unable to defend herself.
Yeah, but she needs to start looking for an answer, and fast.
Uh-oh.
Takedown gets them out of danger.
And she just shifted things back her way.
She's refusing to give in to that burst of attacks.
There's the takedown.
Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move.
Oh, boom. Placing her in the corner.
Strong chops across the chest over and over again like a machine gun. Waistlock applied and launched into a German. And down for the count.
No! 2 count!
Oh, and this match is going to come down to who wants it more. That kick out, that was her saying she wants it more, man.
Now positioned out of the top rope.
Oh, this is my favorite right here. Oh, yeah, we're going for the ride. Big suplex.
Look at this! You gotta be kidding me!
They just put their body on the line, and look at how it paid off. Look at that.
Absolutely unreal. Thwarts the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection. Carried in a jeopardizing position here. Whip back into the ring.
Getting out of harm's way. Sequence of reversals there.
Lands a timely reversal.
Oh, could this be it?
Oh, what a lariat.
This one's a wrap. Good night, everyone.
Looking for the pin. She did it! She picked up the victory! Now let's take another look at these wonderful women in action.
Here is your winner.
This was a truly spectacular win.
Love them or hate them, you know they did everything they could to earn this win.
Dragon Lee has landed.
And the high-flying action is about to start.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by Damian Priest from Tala, Jalisco, Mexico, weighing in at 165 pounds, the World Heavyweight.
I challenge you to find a more impressive young talent.
Very skilled, but also very arrogant.
And his opponent from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 220 pounds, Austin Theory.
Cocky but talented kid here. The sky's the limit for him. Theory just needs to figure out who he is on his own.
And it's on as we're underway with Austin Theory.
The undeniable future of this industry and WWE as a whole. Austin Theory is already advanced beyond his years in the ring, and he's still getting better by the day. It's almost frightening just how impressive this young man is.
Well, Theory's definitely impressive. Some would argue his personality does leave something to be desired. He could certainly find room to advance in that department.
Yeah, then there's Dragon Lee. This guy has all the tools, all the talent. I've seen Dragon Lee pull off moves most guys couldn't even imagine. He's that agile.
Yeah, every time Dragon Lee climbs in the ring, he finds a new way to drop jaws with his daring attacks and aerial moves.
Over the top into a head scissors. Impressive.
Big hope it ended here. And he kicks out quick.
He's still got a lot in the tank here. Just showed that on that kick out.
Main event usually brings the excitement. It's sort of a proving ground for the big-time talent.
Yeah, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
Axe handle finds its target.
Oh, he cuts it off. Oh, running Hurricane Rana.
Sometimes you just gotta show off and show out. If there's one thing Dragon Lee needs to do here, it's keep the speed going at all costs. The same goes for maintaining a flurry of offense. This will all come down to who dictates the pace.
Yeah, and if Dragon Lee can do that, he should be coming out of this one with a win. Oh, what a kick. Looks like he just got rocked there.
Yeah, his Theory absolutely has adding insult to injury on his mind.
Oh, later waste with the powerbomb. A powerbomb may not be fancy, but as we just saw, it will always be effective.
Placing him in the corner.
Drop kick into the corner, flexing their athleticism, and another.
Just getting bullied in the ring and now dumped to the outside. And a tope con hilo takes their opponent down.
Bang! Dragon Lee way up high.
Drop zone ready.
Up high.
You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be a certain kind of crazy to even think about attempting that kind of offense. But I can't say it didn't pay off.
Landing straight on the knees, not the intended outcome. Oh my gosh, what impact!
A strong head scissors application. And now the elbows.
Oof, good shot, and now Theory is bleeding.
Theory's hopes are waning.
And this is Dragon Lee in control because he's dictating the pace, keeping things going just the way he likes.
Cross body.
Targeting the trachea.
Now stalking. He has an opening.
Between the ropes, rolls through.
Drop kick.
Making way towards the top rope.
Here we go. Splash.
Lee quick to counter. Had the wherewithal to counter Dragon.
Wow, float over. Immediately into a sit-out powerbomb.
Two, kicks out.
He must have used his last ounce of energy to get that shoulder up.
Oh, back for the elbow.
That could ground Theory for good.
Cover. What a win for Dragon Lee. And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
Here is your winner, Dragon Lee!
Dragon Lee standing victorious in the ring.